Today I'm starting with taking off all side panels from the van to get full access to the body. Once the panels were off, I began to removing all rust using compressed air sanding tool. I started to sanding rust from the backside of the van first because there was much less rust dead areas than on the front.
Tulee hevoskevennys nyt videolla.
Niin. Ja meneekö koirat tällä tavalla narkussa?
At the one point, the air compressor started overheating, so I switched to using angle grinder instead. Luckily I have a friend who came helping me with grinding down all rust from the other side of the vehicle, van side, something. Okay. Sadly, I forgot to film all welding spots from the side, inside and the back from the van. But after the sanding was all done, there was 5 days gap, I think. After that I started to sand blowing whole car and prepping the car for the next part of this van building, where I'm going to start applying the filler and the primer on the whole car and deciding what color I'm going to paint this car. After sanding and the sandblasting the whole side, I moved on the surface prep. I applied rust stopper and then the rust inhibitor over the entire side of the van by using a brush. Just make sure everything was fully protected before the next step. After the taping all door handles, metal railing and the side of the window plastic covers, we started to paint over with Mustang white primer. After the first coat of white primer, I applied second coat and then the third coat, but I forgot to film same painting on the other side of the van, so we have only this one film. On the next episode we will be getting ready for primer and full body filler. Stay tuned for the next episode.